If your camera isn't working on your laptop, don't worry. Today, I'll show you a few easy ways to fix it step by step. Let's start with the first method. Click on the Start menu at the bottom and open Settings. From the menu on the left, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down a bit and select Camera. Here, you need to make sure that camera access is turned on. Also ensure that Let Apps Access Your Camera is enabled. If you're trying to use a specific app like Microsoft Teams or Zoom, make sure the toggle for that specific app is also turned on. Another thing to check, especially if you have a Lenovo laptop, is a physical switch or a keyboard shortcut. Try pressing Fn plus F8 or look for a key with a camera icon that has a slash through it. Also, double-check your webcam lens to make sure there isn't a physical privacy cover blocking it. If it's still not working, let's try repairing the app. In the same settings window, go to Apps, then open Installed Apps. Search for camera in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. If that doesn't help, click Reset. Once it's finished, try opening your camera again to see if the problem is solved. Now, for the final method, we'll use the Device Manager. Type Device Manager in the search bar at the bottom and open it. Look for cameras in the list. Now, I don't have a webcam on this specific PC, so I'll demonstrate the steps using my mouse as an example. Right-click on your camera driver and select Uninstall Device, then click Uninstall again to confirm. Your system might ask you to restart your computer. If so, go ahead and do that. After restarting, go back to Device Manager, click on the Action menu at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect and reinstall the camera driver for you. And that's everything. Hopefully, one of these steps fixed your camera. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.